Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make orange chicken in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I want to give a shout out to the Bohemian Sprout. This is her beautiful kitchen in sunny Arizona. If you've not checked her out on Instagram, you should. We've already got the filleted chicken breast, boneless, skinless, inside our Instant Pot. And now we are going to mix up all of our seasonings and honey and orange juice right here. Now I'm going to pour this over my chicken breast. I'm moving the chicken around, stirring it around to make sure the sauce is fully covering the chicken. Now we're going to put the lid on. Make sure our venting valve is on sealed. And we're going to turn the Instant Pot on manual high or pressure cook high, whichever button yours says. We're going to allow our Instant Pot to come to pressure, then to cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to allow it to self-release for 5 minutes, and then we will finish up. Our chicken is finished cooking, and it has done a self-release for 5 minutes, so now we're going to do a quick release. Our silver button has dropped down, so now let's open up our Instant Pot. We're going to pull the chicken breast out. Now I'm going to turn the Instant Pot off and back on to saute mode. Now we're going to add our gluten-free cornstarch slurry. Now we're going to cut our chicken into little bite-sized cubes. Now we're going to put the chicken back into our sauce. We're going to allow that to saute for just a couple of minutes, and then we'll give it a taste test. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, you don't get better than this. It's gluten-free and it's easy in the Instant Pot. Orange chicken over rice. Wow, you're gonna wanna try this recipe for sure. It's sure to please your taste buds. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.